we've got Rain and Cyrus here. Okay, guys, it's part like 8 or 9. I have no idea, but we're deep into this tire repair right now, and we've got the tire with the tube in it. It's holding air, and we're gonna install it on the bike now, the ttr50. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab just a little bit of that grease, and I'll do it so you guys don't get it on your fingers.
Yeah.
But we're just gonna want to get a little bit of grease here and just put a little bit on this bearing right there, and then we're just gonna get some and just put a little bit on this axle, just so it slides in nice.
I'm gonna put that in.
Yep. So we're gonna give this to Rain. Rain, here you go.
Greasy axle.
It's gonna take all 3 of us to put this on here. Rain, go hold this on the other side there, bud. We're gonna try to line the tire up for you.
I got a little bit of grease
now-
on my hand, guys, but
So we're gonna grab a little bit on this side too. And we're gonna get a little bit of grease in here and keep some dirt out and some water and put some in that seal.
yeah, and guys, this is
Okay, now let's install the brake hub. We're gonna put the brake drum in there.
guys,
Alright.
and this is the most funnest part, and it's also really, it's not that hard.
Okay, great. So here we go. Cyrus,
What?
I will try to help you get the chain lined up while you try to slide the thing on there. Now let's get your spacer back in there.
Spacer.
Yep. Usually I try to clean the spacer up just a little bit, but let's get a little grease on here.
Yep.
And stick that back in there. So we're gonna put our spacer in, guys. Always
That's in, right?
remember your spacer. Yeah.
Guys, and also type in 5-year-old riding
Okay.
wait, what
I
is
need
my
you to
bike called?
slide this in.
What is it
Okay,
called?
so Cy, a couple things are gonna happen here.
We gotta
I'm gonna
line
remember
that
to
up.
line up your thing and then try to get.
Frank,
Did you put your
Frank,
little round piece in here?
Frank.
Hey, you forgot this.
Frank, what's my bike called?
Guys, don't forget this piece.
Frank, what's my bike called?
PW50.
Don't forget to slide this in here
And
because
guys,
we've got to get that
also
rod in there
type
for your
in-
brakes.
Guys, and type in a 5-year-old riding
Okay, so
a PW50.
you got that slot? So we're gonna line up a couple different things here at the same time.
The spacer doesn't want to stay in.
Yeah, you're gonna have to really guide it in there, kind of like get that up here. It's barely gonna fit in there, but you're gonna have a few things going on at once you gotta watch for. So let's get that hole lined up right there. Hang on, don't go in yet. Hang on 1 second. Try to line that up first, Si. That hole, just a little bit. And your next one's gonna be that big groove right here for your height.
Okay. That's on.
Okay, now remember your hub over here?
Yep.
I know it's getting a little shaky here, guys, but we're getting it. Oh, you're almost locked in there. Try to get that locked in. You might have to lift up a little bit on it or something. Don't lose your spacer out of the side. Is it staying? Okay.
Yeah,
hang on.
it's
staying.
Hang on, let me get this chain out of here.
Type in a 5-year-old riding a PW50. That's my video. That's my video.
Okay, do you have it lined up yet?
Rain, I need you to get the axle in place.
Rain, would you slide the axle in, please, now?
Can't get it in.
Try to wiggle it in there if you can. Oh, your rod came out, guys.
Okay.
Hang on.
Well, oops.
Hang on, guys.
Guys, this is really bad.
Wait, you gotta.
can-
Okay, guys, listen. We're 3 minutes into this. Guys, this is
Okay.
We're
We're
Rain,
stru-
wait,
okay,
wait,
Rain,
wait,
hang
wait,
on. We're
wait.
struggling here a little
We
bit,
gotta
guys. We're
take
gonna have to
the wheel
regroup.
off.
Slide it backwards. Put your thing back in here, and you want to slide that back far enough to put that in. Pull your tire back if you have to.
Wait, if Rain go hit the brake, maybe? Right? Okay, hit it all the way. Wait. Okay, got it.
Okay.
That's in. Where's my space?
Now axle bolt. Try to slide it in there, Rain. Just line it up nice and
Wait.
straight, buddy.
We're missing something.
No,
Chain
he has
te-
it in his
chain
hand.
tensioner.
He's got it in his hand.
Guys, I got the axle in. The axle bolt. This is a 2.
That spacer.
Do you have it in there? Is it starting to go in? You have to
yeah.
wiggle the tire around while you're doing it. Hang on, we're gonna get the chain on here too, guys. Look at this. Turn that tire up. Okay, well,
Chain's
that's the chain. Now I'm gonna line this hole up here. You guys push it through.
And Frank, before we end the video,
Okay, wow.
Wait,
Guys.
I didn't get the chain tensioner. We gotta.
But Frank,
Back it out a little bit.
Frank, before we end the video, can I tell him something?
Perfect.
Yeah, okay, now next chain adjuster. Guys, we're going to install the second
We
chain
need an
adjuster.
axle bolt.
Put the chain adjuster on their side.
Oops. Is that backwards? This way?
Yeah, it's offset. Okay. Now, where's the Rain?
Bolt.
Your
I mean,
axle
nut? Nut?
Right over here on this side, buddy. Remember, took it off.
And it goes on
tighten
here.
Oh, this put the flat side out. The washer goes on that side. All right, we've already got Cy putting on the wing nut over there for the brake adjuster. We've got Rain putting on this axle nut. And we're in the final phases of this tire change, guys. Thanks for sticking in there with us. We're going to show you how to, we're actually going to clamp this thing down, and we're going to adjust the chain.
And guys, I'm going to make a video of Minecraft for you.
Oh, man. It's going to do a Minecraft video too, guys.
I need the...
We'll adjust the brake later, but it just needs to be tightened.
I need the thing that goes like...
All right, you're looking for your ratchet?
Yeah, I need
It's
a
right behind
ratchet.
Cy.
Okay, that's not a good place for it, but
I got it.
Okay, now guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna tighten it up just a little bit, but we wanna leave it loose enough to where
Wait, Frank,
you
how do
can still make adjustments. Okay?
Wait, Frank, how do you
Okay,
do
now
it
go.
again?
Yeah, you're doing it. Yeah, that's tightening it.
This way?
Yep. The clockwise. If it's going the same way the clock goes, that's clockwise. That's to tighten it up.
oops, it's not going anywhere now.
Okay, so you need another ratchet. Hang on. We're gonna go grab another ratchet really quick.
That's good,
Okay, here you go, Cy. Cy, you can put your
No,
ratchet.
we don't
Hey,
need
guys.
we don't tighten it down all the
Hey,
way.
guys, listen.
I got it.
No arguing while we're fixing bikes.
I
Okay,
got
so did you leave yourself enough play?
Yeah, I think.
Okay, so we can still move this around, Rain. So what we're gonna do now is remember we're gonna adjust your chain. See this? Okay, so guys, I want you to stop for a second.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So there's notches on the side of this. And what we're gonna do is at the same time we're tightening up the chain, we're gonna check the tension and we're gonna look at the notches. They have to be the same on both sides. So I'm on 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm on the 5th notch. Starting this way, Cy. What are you on?
I am on the 1, 5, 6.
So that's gonna make sure you have to make sure they're the same on both sides. Otherwise,
the middle.
your thing will be crooked. Just count the notches.
What is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This is
Starting at the front, going backwards.
1, 2,
No,
3.
look, that's the first one right
Okay.
there. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2,
You're on
3,
5.
4, 5. I'm. Yeah,
Guys,
I think I'm 5, 2.
I'm going to say something again.
Okay, so see
Guys,
how
comment
see how
down
slack
below.
this is right here, Rain? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tighten it.
Wait, can I find something again?
Well, you know what? Hang on. At the end of the video, Rain, let's focus on getting your chain adjusted. What number is that? A 12 millimeter?
It is...
Okay, let's stay focused here, guys.
I think...
So, Cy, you're gonna need to tell me what number you're on over there. I need to know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then do I count the one that the notch is on?
Every one of the notches, yeah.
Well,
So
well,
screw.
come here. Can you tell me because I don't really. I know.
I'll look in a second. Let's work on getting that nut tightened down closer to where it's gonna make its adjustment. Oh, they're locked together. You need to break that off of there. Here.
I do.
Yeah, this 12 is stuck to the 10. Go the other way. Break it. Okay, so now you just want to work the 12, not the 10s, the 10 too. Okay, so what's going to happen is you're going to make contact here, and then it's going to start pulling the wheel back. So now let's get our reading. Okay, the chain's a little loose right now, so let me see what you're at. Okay, you're on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let me come back on my 6th one, and then we're gonna see what it does.
So you're going on to your 6th?
Yeah,
Should I
leave yours.
loosen this up?
No, leave yours on 6, and we're gonna see what happens here in a second. See if it tightens it up. Okay, so the chain's looking like a lot better right now.
So now tighten down the 10?
Not yet. We're gonna do a couple final adjustments. So the wheel spins, you guys. Rain, look at this. So here, you want to hold the light for a second? So the chain, you only want about a 1/2 inch play. Otherwise it'll fall off. And we're on number 6 right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is what we're on. And Cyrus, you're on 6 on the other side, you said?
Yep.
Okay, and so mine's a little under 6, so let's take it down just a hair. Okay, guys, so what we've got is the wheel installed right now. Now we need you to tighten it, Rain.
Tighten the 10s.
We're gonna, no, don't do any of the adjusters yet. We're gonna do the axle bolt. So go ahead and grab your wrench, Rain.
This one?
Yeah. And Cy, you have the other side locked down with your socket.
And then what do I need?
You're gonna tighten it as hard as you can.
This one?
Yeah.
Like this way?
Yep. Keep going. Remember, you had to stand on that thing to get it off, so use both your hands and get a lot of power into it. You're gonna want to make sure it tightens really tight, because otherwise if it falls off, your tire's gonna come off. Yeah, okay, now.
I'm gonna tighten it as good as I...
Yeah, tighten it as good as you can. Get all your leverage on there, remember? Okay, so I think what we're gonna have to do now is we're gonna have to do your technique that you did before.
Stand on it?
Yeah, we're gonna have to get you standing on that range. So get
But
it lined
I
up.
think it's good.
Get
Get
it
it lined
straight.
up nice and flat. Hang on. To where it's flat like that. We might need a deep socket, but go ahead, jump on there really quick. Oh, okay. You feel like that's tight? I do.
Yeah, I do too.
Okay, good.
That's good.
Good. Jump off of there
I have
now.
to do it somewhere.
Wait, no, you
Whoa.
don't.
All right.
Just
Okay,
wait.
so now
Okay,
you're good.
that's-
Okay, now guys,
that's
what you want to do now is you want to tighten down the 10mm bolts on the back and lock them down. Okay, Rain, you want to do one side? Come over and tighten up your this side here to make sure this doesn't come off. Do you have a 10 on you?
This
Or
one?
is that the only 10 that's out here?
This is
Did you tighten yours
8.
down?
Yep.
Okay,
This
here
is
you go.
an 8.
Here you go.
This one?
Yes.
And this
You
way?
might be able to do it by hand and screw it in like that.
Ryan, use the other ratchet side.
This way?
Yes, that's the way.
Or use that side.
Okay,
ratchet
now
side.
just tighten it down nice and firm.
Oops.
The
it's
other way,
backwards.
flip the wrench around.
Wait, no.
Wait.
Guys, let's work together here as a team. Okay, so, Rain, let me know when it's tight. It's a ratchet, so you can turn it
Oh, you
back and
gotta
forth.
twist this. Wait.
Wait, like...
There. That's right.
Now pull it back to you, just like
No,
the
you don't
ratchet.
have to do that.
It's got a little ratchet head in there. Yeah, pull it back. Oh, it's kind of loose. There you go. Ratcheting wrench. Okay, that's pretty good,
that's
pretty
pretty
snug.
good.
So the last thing we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna
Is-
check your chain. Put your finger in here and go like that and see if it's pretty loose or good slack.
It's good.
Yeah.
Okay, now what we're gonna do now
Chain
is we're
lube,
gonna
That's probably a good idea too.
we're going to adjust your back brakes. So we need to turn this in and adjust your back brakes. You want to turn that inside,
Here, can we?
the brake lever? Just
Put
keep
it-
turning it in. It's way loose, so just side.
Oh, this?
Can you tighten that?
Yep.
Yeah, go ahead and tighten that up, and then we'll check the brake lever. We're not even close yet. Nice. Thank you, Rain. I'll have to tilt it over, and what we're going to do is try to actuate the brake lever. Rain, do you want to go press on the brake lever
Yeah.
and see if the adjustment's
Can you
good?
please move?
No, go around.
Yeah, let him by. Okay, let him press it down.
Go ahead.
Is that a little too far?
That's
Let me feel.
good. That's
It
good.
needs more.
Okay, go ahead.
No, that's really good.
No, wait.
That might be a little too far for you to push your foot.
Yeah, do it on the other
No,
one.
wait, Rain.
Yeah.
Let's see. There is only one brake tightener. Just
Right,
wait.
that one was really good.
It's
Okay,
too
so
loose.
go ahead and try it now, Rain. See if it's pretty good. All right, I like that. That looks
Yeah, that
close to
looks good.
spec.
Yeah, that
Okay,
was-
so guys, we're done. We've done it. We've got the chain tighteners on. We've got the axle bolt tightened up. We've greased the bearings. Now we're gonna get some chain lube and spray it on the chain.
Guys, and
We're gonna end the video right now, and we're gonna get the chain lube out. We're gonna regroup.
Guys, and type in a 5-year-old riding a PW50. Those are my videos.
Okay, 5-year-old riding a PW50.
Yep.
All right. I'll be back with you guys in a second. We're gonna end the video and then we're gonna lube the chain.
Yeah. Bye, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my videos.
The PJ1?
Bye.